What you're going to do, create your own workspace. I created mine called Heroes and Villains. We're going to create Angular application that we can showcase heroes and villains. After creating your workspace, just open your terminal. A few prerequisites that we need Node.js. Make sure you go to the official Node.js website. Depending on your operating system, install the Node.js version. I would recommend that you install the LTS version. And then after you install that, you also need to install Angular globally. And the command to do so, let me just show you the command. The command is npm. After you have installed Node.js, Node.js comes in with also npm. npm is a package manager. It is responsible for installing packages that you need in your application. npm install @Angular, then client. So when you just install this way, it will install the latest version of Angular, but you can install a specific version if you want by doing something like this. So for instance, if I want the specific version of Angular, which is Angular version 13.2.3, this is how I do it. If you want to check all the versions, just go to the Angular official website, just type Angular releases. Then you just go to this section, you see the releases, or you can just go to the official Angular GitHub. Then you just go to the Angular repository, click on releases. Now this is where you'll find all the releases. 2 days ago, this version was released. Last week, this version was released. If you want to check out the released versions, you can go to github.com Angular releases. In the next video, we're going to get started on how we create our new project. See you in the next video.